In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Cashplus mobile app with a simple step-by-step installation guide. Whether you're a seasoned smartphone user or someone just getting started, you'll find these instructions easy to follow and incredibly useful. Let's dive right into it. First things first, grab your smartphone and open up your preferred web browser. For most of us, this could be Google Chrome or Safari. Once you've got your browser open, head over to Google. In the search bar, type in Cashplus mobile app and hit enter. This search will bring up a list of results related to the app. Now, don't be overwhelmed by the number of links you'll see. What you're looking for are the official app listings. Specifically, you'll want to find the links for either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, depending on whether you're using an Android phone or an iPhone. Once you've found the correct link, go ahead and tap on it. This will direct you to the app's official page on your respective app store. If you're unsure, look for the familiar logos or names used by Google Play Store for Android devices and the App Store for iOS devices. Once you're there, it's a good idea to quickly glance through some details about the app. Reviews, ratings, and the description can give you a better understanding of what you're about to install. This step is especially important as it ensures you're downloading the legitimate app and not a lookalike. Now, keep in mind that while I'm demonstrating this on a computer screen, you'll actually want to perform these next steps on your mobile device. It's essential because downloading directly from your phone streamlines the process and ensures the app is installed correctly. If you try this from a desktop, you won't be able to directly install the app to your phone, which is our final goal here. Once you're on your phone and on the app's page, you should see a button that says Install or Get. Tap this button to begin the download. The app will start downloading, and depending on your internet speed, this could take just a few moments or a bit longer. Just be sure you have a stable internet connection. After the download completes, the installation process will automatically kick in. You might be prompted to grant the app certain permissions such as access to your contacts or location. If this happens, go ahead and allow these, as they're usually necessary for the app's full functionality. And there you have it. The Cashplus mobile app should now be installed on your phone. You can open it from your home screen and start exploring its features. I hope this guide was helpful and made your downloading process smooth and stress-free. Thank you for joining me today, and happy app exploring.